Today I'm going to show you how to attach your iPhone to your tripod. The first mandatory thing you need is a camera mount, which comes with every tripod. The next thing you need is an iPhone holder, which can come with any ring light or iPhone stands. This one comes with a hole for a screw at the bottom and the back. The last thing is not mandatory, but it is an iPhone connector, which can help you to rotate and change the position of your camera. The first thing you're going to do is attach the tripod mount to your tripod. This should already be attached. Then take your iPhone holder and screw it onto the screw on the tripod mount. If you're using the iPhone connector, then screw this on first, then screw the top part of it to the iPhone holder. You can also screw this onto the back if you like, then tilt it up and down and flip it for the best view. Now you can enjoy your experience with your iPhone. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!